Ell100 Assignment 2 FM Radio Receiver Circuit. FM radio uses frequency modulation. Frequency modulation is the encoding of information in a carrier wave by varying the instantaneous frequency of the wave, that is, varying the frequency keeping the amplitude constant. FM broadcasts on the very high frequency bands still provide exceptionally high quality audio. Frequency modulation uses the information signal to vary the carrier frequency within some small range about its original value. Advantages of FM: resilient to noise. One of the main advantages of frequency modulation that has been utilized by the broadcasting industry is the reduction in noise. Resilient to signal strength variations. FM does not suffer audio amplitude variation as the signal level varies, and it makes FM ideal for use in mobile applications where signal level constantly vary. Does not require linear amplifiers in the transmitter. As only frequency changes are required to be carried, any amplifier in the transmitter do not need to be linear. Antenna. An antenna is an electrical device which converts electrical power into radio waves or vice versa. Typically, an antenna consists of an arrangement of metallic conductors, elements electrically connected to the receiver or transmitter. An oscillating current of electrons forced through the antenna by the transmitter will create an oscillating magnetic field around the antenna elements, while the charge of the electron also creates an oscillating electric field along the elements. These time-varying fields radiate away from the antenna into the space as a moving transverse electromagnetic field wave. Conversely, during reception, the oscillating electric and magnetic field of an incoming radio wave exert force on the electrons in the antenna elements, causing them to move back and forth, creating oscillating current in the antenna. RF amplifier. It is a type of electronic amplifier that converts a low power radio frequency signal into a higher power signal. It receives the input signal from the antenna and filters the unwanted signal and amplifies the resulting signal. Mixer. In electronics, a mixer or frequency mixture is a non-linear electrical circuit that creates new frequencies from two signals applied to it. This is done by mixing the incoming signals with the local oscillator signal. A mixture outputs the sum or the difference of two frequencies. This is known as heterodyning. Local oscillator. In electronics, a local oscillator is an electronic oscillator used with a mixture to change the frequency of a signal. As discussed in the previous slide, it has an important role in the heterodyning. This component is used to tune the radio receiver to different stations. IF amplifier and filter. Intermediate frequency amplifier is an amplifier used to raise or amplify signal levels in a stereo system. FM demodulator. A demodulator is an electronic circuit that is used to recover the information content from the modulated carrier wave. It extracts audio or any information from the intermediate frequency.
Voltage amplifier. This is the most common type of amplifier. An input voltage is amplified to a larger output voltage. The amplifier's input impedance is high and the output impedance is low. Power amplifier. Power amplifier primarily provides sufficient power to an output load to drive a speaker or other power devices, typically a few watt to 10 of watts. This is the radio receiver circuit, consisting various elements. First, transistor 2N3904. The 2N3904 is a common NPN bipolar junction transistor used for general purpose low power amplifying or switching applications. Capacitors 4.7 picofarad, 20 picofarad, 0.001 microfarad and 22 nanofarad capacitor is used. Variable capacitor are also used. VC1. It is also called a trimmer capacitor. 7 turns using 26 SWG. SWG refers standard wire gauge wire antenna. It is an electrical device which converts electrical power into radio waves and vice versa. Resistors 4.7 kilo ohm and 470 ohm resistors is used. Inductor 0.01 microhenry inductor is used. This is the radio receiver circuit, consisting various elements. Component of radio wave receiver which help to select the station is local oscillator. Thank you.
Submitted by Sachin Kamawat, Sangam Bharti, Alok Yadav. Thank you.